Welcome to Provident Deansgate, Bangalore Villas, offering unparalleled luxury in North Bangalore.
Provident Deansgate Bangalore Villas in North Bangalore, with amenities including a badminton court and jogging area.
Hello everyone, myself Vinay from Provident Deansgate. So we are standing right in front of the Provident Deansgate property where you are seeing here the complete project inspired from the Manchester townhouse, which is spread across 15 acres. So it's a unique Villament property on IVC Road, which is of 3 BHK configuration, which is spread across in 15 acres. Coming to the location, so this is a North Bangalore complete external Villament of a complete project, what you'll be seeing here. So this is the clubhouse and this is the project location which is next to the ITC factory. And coming to the point, so this is the Provident Deansgate which is located on the IVC Road and where there is two access which is connecting from Sadharani Metro and Sadharani Road. Location which is exactly 12 kilometers from airport junction. This is what you are seeing here is one Villament, so which is constructed in 50 by 60 plot area, which comes under G+2 structure. So this G+2 having like 3 houses in one Villament. One Villament comes with 3 houses, one will be in the ground floor and 2 will be in the second floor. So what you're seeing here, so this one ground floor comes with a private garden, we call it as a garden Villament. So once you take the staircase on the 2, you'll be seeing one on the duplex on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you'll be seeing another duplex which comes with private terrace. So this, what you're seeing here, this is the master plan of the entire property, Provident Deansgate, which is spread across 15 acres of development with 285 houses. So it's a 3 BHK unique Villament concept what you'll be seeing in this IVC Road main road. So which is, we'll be seeing a 60% of open space with 1,500 trees planting in this entire project. Once you enter, so you'll be seeing outdoor amenities like mini soccer ground, a basketball court, and a children's play area with a 1 acre of jade park. So from our property, nearby metro station is the Sadharani metro station, which is exactly 5 kilometers from our property and 12 kilometers towards your airport. So this is a clock tower which is going to come as same as Manchester theme. So where you get a clock which will be on the 3 sides. This is our model unit where you can come and look on ground floor unit. Please come. So this is the garden Villament where you'll be seeing this is a 3 BHK configuration which comes with 3 toilets with 1950 square feet, and also unique is here you're getting a private garden which is of 700 square feet. This will be your living and dining area. So this is your dining area what you'll be seeing here, and this is your kitchen what you get a size of 10 by 15 size. So you have 2 openings, one is from your kitchen and one is from your dining area towards your garden. So this is your garden space. So you enter towards your veranda. So here comes your veranda space which you will be seeing towards your garden area. So this is a 700 square feet of garden area which will be covered with all the green space. So this is the construction of phase 1 which is currently going on, so which will be handing over by September 2026. So this will be your guest room with a common toilet. So you get all your commodes, fittings, everything in your bathrooms, and this is your guest room, so which will overlook towards your platter box. This is your staircase which will lead to the duplex units. On the left hand side you'll get a lift on the left hand side what we'll be seeing here. So this will again go to your ground to your first. So this is the common staircase for both the duplex. This is the first floor landing area where the lift will be opening here. And on the left hand side will be one east facing duplex, on the right side will be the other north facing duplex. So let's get into the east facing duplex. So this is your kitchen area, so which is of 10 by 15 size. So this is your kitchen what you'll be seeing here. This is how it looks. So where you get all your fittings like your switches, everything in the kitchen. So this is 100% Vastu, which is coming in southeast kitchen area, and you get all your dishwasher, washing machine, and your refrigerator fitting with all the like, you'll be seeing here. This is a 10 by 11 size with an attached balcony, so which will completely overlook towards your park area. So this you can see. So these are the interiors where you can exactly come with the same interiors. So let's get into your terrace, your private terrace, which is spread across 400 square feet. So what you'll be seeing here, so this is completely open to sky, so with a good amount of sunlight and for ventilation. Breeze with the morning sunlight and for a good ventilation. So the complete construction, what you're seeing here, so this is the phase 1 which is under construction, which will be completely handing over by September 2026. So you can see the complete construction, which is a solid block construction.